नमस्कार। आज हम बैंकिंग लॉ के यूनिट सेकंड के एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पर डिस्कस करेंगे और टॉपिक है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, आई मीन आरबीआई। रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया से ये यूनिट सेकंड का क्वेश्चन टॉपिक है। एक इस पर क्वेश्चन है कि डिस्कस द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। यानी रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के उद्देश्यों, संगठनात्मक ढांचे तथा कार्यों की विवेचना कीजिए। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है और ये कई बार पूछा जा चुका है, तो आज हम इसी पर डिस्कस करेंगे। तो नाउ स्टार्ट। डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन। Discuss the objectives, organization, structure and function of the Reserve Bank of India. The answer shall contain following important point. Number 1, Reserve Bank of India. Number 2, office, branches and agencies. Number 3, governor or management. Number 4, function of Reserve Bank. Functions में A, traditional function, B, promoted function में भी note issue section 22, banker to the government section 20, control of bankers. Number 1, Banking Regulation Act 1949 section 22, 23, 35, 36, 36A and 36AB. Fourth, bankers death section 17 of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Fifth, control of credit. Sixth, custodian of exchange reserve. 7, collection of data publication. Fifth, promotional and development function. So, number 1, Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India. ध्यान दीजिएगा, Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India was established in the year 1935 as a central bank of the country. Under the provision of Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, it was nationalized in the year 1949 and thus come under absolute control of government. Absolute control of government. Office, branches and agencies. Its offices are at Bombay, Kolkata, Delhi, Madras. Bombay, Kolkata, Delhi, Madras. Its agencies may be established at other place in the country with the permission of the central government, governor or management. A central board of directors would look after the management of the RBI. Such board will have 20 members. There will be a governor and maximum of 4 deputy governors appointed by the central government. There will be 4 directors, one from each circle zone nominated by the central government. The central government will nominate 10 more directors for a period of 4 years. Central government will nominate a government servant more as directors. Governor and deputy governor will be full-timer. Governor and deputy governor will be full-timer appointed for a maximum period of 5 years. They may be appointed after the expiry of 5 years. They will be entitled to salary and allowance prescribed by Central Board of Directors and approved by the central government. Governor will preside over the meeting of the board of directors. In his absence, the deputy governor, nominated by the governor, will preside over the meeting. The government nominated employee, director and deputy governors will have the right to participate and take part in deliberation in the meeting of the central board of directors, but will have not right to vote franchise section 8 of RBI Act 1934. तो फंक्शन ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक, फंक्शन ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक में देखा जाए तो ट्रेडिशनल फंक्शन एंड प्रमोटेड एंड डेवलपमेंट फंक्शन. तो नोट इशू ट्रेडिशनल फंक्शन पे क्या है? नोट इशू, कलेक्शन ऑफ डाटा एंड पब्लिकेशन, सेंट्रल ऑफ क्रेडिट, बैंक टू द गवर्नमेंट, custodian of exchange reserve, central control of bank and bankers bank. Its capital is rupees 5 crore. Reserve Bank of India has right to issue the currency. It act as a banker of the central government and state government. It act as a banker of the government by collection of the bill, by collection of the bill of exchange of the government, accept them and makes payment. It manage loan for the government. It gives advice to the central governments, state government in various financial matter. It act as a banker of the bank also. It accepts deposit of the banks, given them load and act as a clearing house for them. Prior permission of the Reserve Bank of India is required to open new branch of a bank. It has right to make an inspection of the bank. It controls the credit in the country. Thus, function of the Reserve Bank of India are as following. Number 1, note issue. Under section 22 of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, the Reserve Bank shall have the sole right to issue bank notes in India. According to section 38 of the Reserve Bank of India Act, the central government shall put into circulation rupees coin and 1 rupees currency notes through Reserve Bank only. It is to note that 1 rupees currency bear the signature of the Finance Secretary, Ministry of Finance, Government of India, while the other bank notes are issued under the signature of the Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. Notes issued by the Reserve Bank of India are known as bank notes, while the 1 rupees notes of the central government are known as currency note according to section according to section 27 of the RBI Act 1934. The Reserve Bank shall not reissue bank notes which one term defaced or excessively sold to bank to the government. The Reserve Bank is the banker to the central government strictly and to the state government by virtue of agreement entered into with them under section 20 of Reserve Bank of India Act. The central government conducts all its transactions through the Reserve Bank. Section 21 of the Reserve Bank of India 1934 require the Government of India to entrust the Reserve Bank all its money, remittance, exchange and banking transaction in India, and in particular deposit free of interest all in case balance with the Reserve Bank. Number 3, control of bank. The Reserve Bank act as supervisor and controller of banks under the provision of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. A. Each bank in India is required to obtain license from the Reserve Bank before conducting banking businesses. Section 22. B. Each bank desirous of opening new branch or change in the location of any exciting branch is required to obtain prior permission from the Reserve Bank of India. Section 23. C. RBI has power to inspect books and account of commercial bank. Section 35. D. Reserve Bank of India may issue direction to commercial bank and may prohibit bank to enter into particular transaction. Section 36. E. Reserve Bank may remove any top executive of a bank. Section 36A. 36A. F. Reserve Bank may appoint additional director of the banking company. Section AB. Banking company. फोर्थ, बैंकर्स बैंक यानी बैंकों का बैंक, बैंकर्स बैंक. द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया is a banker to the scheduled commercial bank in India. All the scheduled commercial bank keep their account with the Reserve Bank, keep their account with the Reserve Bank. Under Section 17 of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, scheduled banks may have recourse to Reserve Bank for financial assistance under the provision of the Act. The Reserve Bank is empowered to make loan and advance to scheduled bank against the security of stock and fund etc., refundable on demand or on the expiry of a fixed period not exceeding 180 days in case if a commercial bank is not in a position to raise finance from other sources. Then it may approach Reserve Bank for necessary financial accommodation. The Reserve Bank, in the capacity of the lender of the last resort, assume the responsibility of meeting directly or indirectly all reasonable demand for cooperative society registered with the area in which the state cooperative bank operates. Any other person, such loan or advance should be refundable on demand or on the expiry of fixed periods not exceeding 19 days on such term and condition as the Reserve Bank may consider to be sufficient. Fifth, control of credit. The Reserve Bank exercises its control over the credit created by the commercial bank. 6. Custodian of exchange reserve. The Reserve Bank is the custodian of the country's foreign exchange revenue. The all India remittances to foreign countries and foreign remittances to India are made through the Reserve Bank. 7. Collection of data publication. The Reserve Bank is the principal sources of certain financial statistics and banking data. The Reserve Bank publishes a monthly bulletin with weekly statistical supplements and annual report which present a good deal of periodical reviews and comments. Credit facility from commercial bank and other credit institution on them and conditions as may be specified under Section 42 of the Reserve Bank of India Act. The Reserve Bank holds the case reserve of commercial and other banks and thus act of custodian. The Reserve Bank acts as a clearing house for member banker for sitting their mutual transaction by books entries. According to section 18 of the Act, when in the opinion of the Reserve Bank a special occasion has arisen making it necessary or expedient that action should be taken for regulation credit in the interest of India, trade, industry, commerce and agriculture, the bank may, notwithstanding any limitation contained in section 17, 1. Purchase, sale or discount any bill of exchange or promissory note throughout the sum may not be eligible for purchases or discount under section 70. 2. Make loan or advance to A. State cooperative bank, B. On the recommendation of a state cooperative bank, 2. Patenting the general economic, financial and banking development including the bank's monetary policies and measures adopted for the qualitative and quantitative monetary management. 8. Promotional and developmental function. It perform a promotion and development function with number 1. Through the institution like Unit Trust of India which help to mobilize saving in the country. Second, the sitting by banks training college to extend training facility to supervisory staff of commercial बैंक. तो ये हो गया आपके रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का कॉन्स्टिट्यूट, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के फंक्शंस. थैंक यू.